When you're ready to shut down your power pellet, which you'll need to do every day for routine maintenance, or when you want to idle the gasifier so you can temporarily stop the engine but keep the reactor hot so you can restart it, you'll begin by shutting off any electrical loads and then turning the engine key switch to the off position to stop the engine.
It works a little differently with a grid tie system. If you have one, check the Grid Tie Operation Manual Supplement, Technician's Handbook, or the advanced lessons on how to shut down a grid tie equipped power pellet. As soon as you turn off the engine, you'll need to switch the gas flow from the engine back to the flare by closing the engine valve and opening the one to the flare. Now, turn the gas knob up until the P-react is at least 5. This should turn on the igniter and light the gas coming out of the flare. Then, turn the air blower up until the flame goes inside the flare stack and you hear that roaring sound just like when you started up. If you don't hear the sound or see the flames go inside the flare stack, keep turning up the air blower slowly just until you do. When you shut down the power pellet, the reactor will still be very hot, hot enough to keep making gas and smoke even after the engine is stopped. Some of this dangerous smoke and carbon monoxide gas could leak out into the area around the machine. You can keep leaks of gas and smoke from happening by running the flare with the gas on a low setting for a while to cool it down some before completely shutting off all the valves and storing the machine. All this smoke and gas can also gunk up the feedstock and components inside the power pellet and cause more jams when you restart it. To cool down the gasifier, once the engine is shut down and the flare is burning, turn both the gas and air blowers down really low, all the way down near 1, and let the flare run at this setting until T-rest is less than 650 C. You usually will need to run the flare for about 10 minutes to get the temperature this low, letting you know that the gasifier will have stopped making very much gas, so you can turn the blowers off and close both the flare and engine valves. When you leave it, make sure to protect your power pellet from the rain, as the electronics are sensitive and not waterproof.